everybody, Tasha here, also known as Coupon Countrygrl. I am back at my local CVS to do another quick haul real quick to show you guys another option you have. So I'm going to be taking advantage of the spend $20 on select household, baby, or personal care, get $5 back in extra care bucks. And we're going to start over here with the Pantene Pro V shampoo and conditioner. They are on sale, 3 for $12. And when you buy 3, we do have a $5 off 3 from the February 23rd Procter & Gamble that we're going to be using. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 3 of those. Also, I have a $3 off 12 shampoo or conditioner that I'm going to be using as well. So that's going to bring my total for the shampoo from $12 down to $4. And remember, when you spend $20, you're going to get $5 back. The next item we're going to be getting as part of the spend $20, get $5 back is the Crest Pro Health or Whitening Power toothpaste. I'm going to go with the Whitening Power. They're on sale for $2.99, and we do have these $2 off 1 coupons that were in our February 23rd Procter & Gamble. Okay, so there's those. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to get for the spend $20, get $5 back is the Kleenex tissue wipes. They're on sale 2 for $3. We do have this 50% off 1 coupon that I'm going to be using. And this came from the February 23rd Smart Source. There is also a $1 off app-only coupon. I did have one print at the red box, but it has a different 4 digits on it, so I'm not sure if it's going to work, but I'm going to try. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so the Venus razors, the Simply 4 count, are on sale for $7.99, and if I can find the Gillette that are on sale for the same price, I'm gonna try to get them. Yeah, it looks like they're down here. I'm gonna scan these and see if these will work as well. There's like 4 coupons on the app that are attaching that when you buy 2 of these, the Gillette and the Venus, it's only gonna cost $2 for both of them. There's a $4 off 10, there's a $3 off Venus, there's a $3 off Gillette, and there's a $2 off app-only coupon. So we're going to try and see. Okay, let's head to the checkout and see how it goes. Okay, everybody, here is the receipt from the last transaction that I did at CVS. I did the spend $20, get $5 back. Now, I will let you know that something in their system is glitching, so pay attention to the end of this video. I bought the Kleenex wipes, the 3 Pantene. I did buy the razors, the Gillette and Venus disposable razors that were on sale for $7.99. And I did buy 2 of the Crest toothpaste. Now, if you look at my coupons, my $5 off for the Pantene, my $2 off for the Crest, $2 off for the Crest, 50 cents off for the Kleenex, 50 cents off for the Kleenex, $3 for Venus, $3 for Gillette, $4 off 10 Gillette Venus. Now you see that last coupon under the Gillette? $3 off 10 Gold Bond Lotion. I didn't buy any Gold Bond Lotion, so something that I bought triggered that. There's the $1 off 2 Kleenex. That was a printed coupon from the red box. I did use $10 in extra care bucks, $10.96. So your total before the razors should have been $9.96, and then you get $5 back in extra care bucks. So you pay $4.96 for all 7 items. Now I did get 9 items because I got the razors. So if you want to try the Venus and Gillette, all these digitals did attach, the CRTs did attach, the coupons did attach. So my subtotal was 0. I only owed tax. I saved 100% $48, and I got back $5 in extra care bucks. So there you have it. Don't forget to hit that like button as well as subscribe. Until my next video, I will see you guys later.